What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be putting a new cup holder in my NA Miata. I, like everyone else, hate the cup holder arrangement, so I bought one of these guys on Amazon for like $8. It folds up, and I'm going to be mounting it right here behind the center console. So when it's flipped open, it'll be right here, it'll be in the middle, it won't be impeding the shifter or anything like that, and then when you don't need it, it folds up and you can access the lock for the center console. So first you have to remove the fabric and the padding back here. So you just pull that out. And then you're gonna need an 18mm socket to take off the seatbelt tower right here. So you take that off, and then you'll need a 10mm socket to take off all the little bolts here going around this cover. And you'll also need a bolt and a nut to secure the seat belt, the cup holder. It has some holes right here. I'm just going to use this one. I'm just going to put a bolt straight through it and through this hole right here and connect it on the other side, and then we're going to install this guy back in. As you can see, this one's pretty long and it takes a while. Now that it's off, you can just take it out of the way. The only reason we needed to take it off was to take this cover off so we can get to this bolt right here and this bolt right here. Now you switch to your 10mm, and there are 8 of these bolts on each side, so I think 16 in total. You just take those off and the cover should come right off. You'll also need to undo the pops if you have any. My car, since it's so old, the pops have gone, but pop the pops out so that you can get at the 2 bolts down here. 1, 2. Once all the bolts are out, it should be loose enough for you to be able to pull it up, and you should be able to get to the back side of that hole to put the bolt in without having to take it out or worry about this wire. So I'm going to go get a bolt and a nut, and we'll put the cup holder on. Alright, so now you're going to put your bolt through the hole, put it through that hole, and put a lock washer and a nut on the back end. It's a bit tricky. Once you get the cup holder bolted on, you're going to have to finagle this carpeting up underneath the bottom of it, and get everything situated, but it opens up nicely, it works, and so now you just put all of those 16 bolts back in and finish up the project. So there you have it. If you care more about looks, then I guess in hindsight, put this guy in between the bolt as well. So the cover, make sure you put the bolt through it, it'll fit a little better. But it's kind of inconspicuous this way, having it covering it. You don't really notice it, and then if I need to use it, just pop it up, and then it can even fit a hydro flask. And then if you're done, you just pull it out, pop it down, cover it up. It's like it's not even there. For under $10 and about an hour of just undoing some bolts, I think it's worth it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments.